AT683 operation explanation. The instrument is controlled by a high-performance microprocessor. It features simultaneous testing and display of insulation resistance and leakage current, with 6 measurement ranges. The testing speed can reach 55 times per second. The ultra-high-speed testing provides the best solution for automated production. Power on tutorial. Waiting for the device to boot up completely. The key press test initiates the measurement. You can see the measurement value displayed. Then, pressing the key to discharge stops the measurement, and the value changes to dish. The test speed can be switched by speed. You can see the small mark S at the lower left corner. Press it once to switch to medium speed M, press it again to switch to fast speed F, and press it one more time to return to slow speed. The parameter key is used to switch the parameters of the test. Currently, the displayed value is resistance R. By clicking the parameter key once, it will switch to current I, and by clicking the parameter key again, it will return to resistance R. Next, we will perform the open circuit zeroing operation before testing the instrument. During the open circuit zeroing process, the test leads need to be unplugged. After removing the test cable, press the reset button. When the screen shows open flashing, press the confirm button. Wait until the progress bar reaches 100%, then the circuit reset and clearing process is complete. Next, we set the reference value, which is the lower limit of the instrument. The current reference value is 100 N. Click on the reference value, and you can see the resistance value flashing. At this point, you can input the value using the numeric keypad. For example, if the resistance we measured is 10G, then we can set a lower limit of 8G. The corresponding key for G is Shift plus G. Now the lower limit value has been set to 8G, and you can see the set reference value on the screen. Then set the test voltage to 100 volts. Confirm, and the test voltage has been set to 100 volts. During the test, you can choose either automatic range or manual range. When auto appears, it indicates automatic range. Clicking the range button allows you to switch to manual range. When using the manual range, the range can be switched by using the left and right keys. The numbers here represent the selected range number. Then, switch back to the automatic range and connect the test clamp for the test. First, test the 5G standard resistor. Secure it properly and place it on the table. Press the button to start the measurement. You can see that the test result is NG. Then, press the button to end the discharge and complete the measurement. Next, test a standard resistor with a resistance value of 10.7G. Under the same measurement conditions, it can be observed that the test result is GD. Then, press the button to discharge and end the measurement. Disconnect the test clip. Next, we will explain the keyboard lock function, the sound function, and the remote control function on this side. All of these functions need to be used in combination with the Shift key. Keyboard lock function. Press Shift once, then press the keyboard lock symbol. A lock icon will appear here, and the keyboard will be locked. Press Shift again, and the keyboard lock symbol will disappear, which means the keyboard is unlocked. The vibration is also activated by pressing the Shift plus vibration button. When the beep sound appears, it indicates that you are on the vibration settings page. The flashing letters mean that you can select as needed. Use the knob or direction keys to control. Off means to turn off the vibration. NG means to vibrate when it's not qualified. GD means to vibrate when it's qualified. Here, we still choose to turn off the vibration. The remote control function is the same as Shift plus the remote control key. When remote appears, it indicates the remote control page. The COM port flashes. Click OK to enter the baud rate selection. Above it, baud is displayed and the bottom part flashes, which is the baud rate. You can switch by rotating the knob or using the left and right keys to select. After selection is complete, click OK. The timer here refers to the timing function during the test, and it is divided into 3 timers: charging timer, sampling timer, and delay. The sampling timer and delay are only effective in the external trigger mode, Here we set the charging timer and set the charging time to 3 seconds. Before the test, a 3-second charging period will be carried out first before starting the sampling. Here, we will demonstrate the sampling display mode after setting the charging timing. You can see a 3-second sampling countdown, and then the measurement result appears.